Today, we're unlocking a bit of customization magic in Windows 11. I'm going to show you how to change your OneDrive folder colors right inside File Explorer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add a splash of color to your OneDrive folders, perfect for organizing your cloud storage visually, making everything easier to find at a glance, and simply making your workspace feel more like yours. Let's dive in. First, open File Explorer and head to your OneDrive folders. Those are the ones with the little blue cloud icons next to them, whether you're using a business, school, or even a personal OneDrive. Now, right-click on the folder you want to customize. This is a small thing, but right-clicking is truly the gateway to most customization options in Windows. Once the context menu pops up, look for the OneDrive entry. It might be a little down the list. It's easy to miss if you're used to clicking on properties out of habit, but today we want that dedicated OneDrive menu. Hover over the OneDrive submenu, and in the expanded options, you should spot Folder Color. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a palette of colors pop up. These are your choices for the new folder appearance. Take a moment here. Think about how you want your OneDrive folders to feel. Bright yellow can help important folders stand out, while soft blue or green can add a touch of calm to your workspace. Personally, I like to give shared folders a bright, noticeable color and personal reference folders a softer hue. That way, when I open File Explorer, I instantly know where to look. Now, pick the color you want. You'll notice the color preview updates so you can see a quick mock-up before you commit. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time, you can always come back and change it later. After you've decided, simply click Apply. This might take a second or two, especially if your folder is syncing or you have a lot of files inside it, so don't be concerned if there's a brief pause. The system is just updating the folder icon behind the scenes. Just a quick note, this feature works seamlessly with OneDrive for business or SharePoint folders. If you're using a personal OneDrive account, like the one bundled with your Microsoft account, you might notice that sometimes the folder colors don't update right away or at all. There's a couple of ways to tackle that. Sometimes you'll need to set your folder colors from the OneDrive web app first. Just log in online, change the color there, and it may sync to your PC. If that doesn't work, you might have to try unlinking and relinking your OneDrive account to kickstart the sync. Think of it as giving your cloud storage a quick refresh, a way to remind it to fetch the newest changes. Customizing your folder colors isn't just a fun visual upgrade. It can really improve your workflow by making your most used folders pop and decreasing that "wait, where did I save that file" moment. I use it all the time for sorting client folders, quick access templates, or even project archives. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy your colorful, highly organized OneDrive experience right from File Explorer. If this video helped you bring a little more order and style to your digital life, don't forget to hit that like button. Got questions or ran into an issue with your particular account? Drop a comment below. I always try to respond with helpful tips. And for more Windows tricks and tutorials just like this, make sure you subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.